And like you could hear from last night's rain, today the water level flow is 4 times bigger, so it means it's like 16 times stronger. So the guides are checking out the river today, so we will see if we even go today. Yeah, you can see from the... We can paddle here. This is safe, but... Wow, it's full. No paddling today. 200 cubics. It was yesterday 60 or 50?
60 they say.
Yeah, 60.
Rule of 4, maybe you heard about it. So when the water level increases twice, the force of the river increases by 4. So this means in this case we have 4 times more water than the days before. It means we have 16 times more force on the river. So it's pretty solid right now. So that's the reason why we're skipping paddling for today, unfortunately. But the good news is the water level drops as fast as it rises. So I hope that we can paddle tomorrow. But unfortunately today there is some still rain predicted in the weather forecast. So we will see.
Oh, but that's crazy that this is standing. But wow, it's flooding. Yeah, it's so different. There is Eddie. Crazy. What a flood. It's just flooding. Yeah, this is not like high level. It's flooding, they said. But yeah, there's some nice workshop today. And this is Koritnica. Okay, so now we are at some World War I bunkers, was?
Yes.
Oh,
Between Austria and Italy.
that's a little scary. It's flooding. Are we okay to go here? This is scary.
It's completely flooded.
How? Okay, I see.
Yeah, you see.
Yeah, it's flooding. But how long it goes, I have no idea. Nice. It's God, but yeah, I've never seen this kind of bunker before. Cool.
We would have a dry suit on.
Yeah, to go there, cave exploring. What? Caverna? There is some. Okay. Do we want to go there?
Yeah, we want to go there.
Okay. I'm not sure. I'm a little bit scared of caves. Oh shit. Is there bats? It continues.
Should I go for it?
Yeah, you can go for it because
Okay.
I'm too scared.
Yeah, it's fine.
You check the behind the corner.
Ah, okay. I think we could come around there.
Oh, to the
There's an exit, like.
the bunker.
Yeah, we're
Ah.
at the bunker.
Now there's light. But I'm really scared of getting stuck to this kind of place. Okay, let's check behind the corner.
Have you played the game Outlast?
Uh,
Not Outlast, Insomnia.
No, but shit.
Insomnia, yeah, there's a World War bunker game and like stuff like this.
Okay, I'm not going further.
No, it's terrible.
That's the last light. You want to go further?
You know?
I mean, I can check you go there from here.
I just see if I even can. I don't want to go through like the water and the mud.
Yep.
I just like the only
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's
But it's like
yeah.
really watery.
Yeah.
On the dump.
Yeah.
Like,
You're planning to go, but you don't have dry suit. Oh no. Yeah, there are some rocks. Wow. Oh.
damn, it continues. Holy shit.
It goes far.
Oh fuck, I will need a flashlight here because it's very muddy.
Yep.
And then I want, I'm thinking of coming back.
Yeah, come back. I'm okay with that.
Yeah, I figured.
But I mean, cool. This is my first big cave I've ever been, I think.
Let's see what the scary World War cave.
Yeah. I heard they have a lot of caves in Slovenia.
They do.
Yeah, let's get out because it's flooding, so I don't like the season to go in the caves. I have been watching too many horror stories. Observation point. Oh, what? It's dark again. Another bunker. Damn, these.
This looks fine, there's like wood.
Yeah. How far it goes? Like.
No, it looks fine. Ah, it's fine. It's all. Damn. You good?
Yeah.
See, there's another point.
Okay. Okay. This is quite okay, but these rocks doesn't look okay. What? Shooting gallery?
Yeah, it's a shooting out, like where you shoot out.
Oh. Is it deep?
Wait, we're just gonna see. I'm gonna take a video.
Yeah, this looks like some zombie game.
It's just really small.
Yeah. But you know, like the plants over and bunker and some sign.
You
Okay.
tuck down.
Oh yeah.
A small little toothbrush to clean the zipper teeth. When there you get some dirt and sand in your zipper teeth, you can clean it with a small little toothbrush. Then the same lay like Tommy had already, the patch and go and the Tyvek tape. And here I have the gear at zipper. So now it'll come later on. Some Gorilla tape, just a little bit, that's enough. You can use it for everything. Yeah, here the patch and go. And now maybe you're wondering why I have the bike repair kit with me. What do you think? What's the reason for it?
It's bike crafting.
Bike crafting? Yes, good. But I'm using most of the time for another purpose. What do you think is it?
For the best dry suit.
Exactly. For the dry suit, because when my latex gasket rips here on the neck, on the wrist, then the dry suit is damaged and you can't use it, right? So I use plenty of the bike repair patches. So when you get a hole in your gasket, you can use the bike repair kit to fix the latex gasket. And I use it on my last 5-day trip on the Piave. I've ripped my latex gasket. I said, oh shit, no, the trip is over. But no, I had some with me and I couldn't repair it. Then I have 2 spare seals for the valve cap, because when you lose the rubber seal in your valve cap, then it's not airtight anymore, because the two-way valve is just airtight to 98% or something like that. So I have 2 with me, and you have also 1 spare. They're in your inflation bag. There is 1 more. Yeah, also some sandpaper to make the surface glue will fit in. So that's all on my daily trip I use here in my alpaca pouch. So
And then you like open close it a couple of times.
open, close it, be very careful with dirt, and then even remove the grease what is too much on the zipper. Just remove it a little bit. You need just a little layer of grease. That's it. Put the soap in it, and then use the brush to clean it. And then the trick is that you will hang up your seat that's in the lowest position, so that all the water can flush out. That's the only way you can clean the house a little bit. And then for sure you just put it on. And that's also the reason why I have some spare with me, because sometimes you lose the valve cap. So you just put it on with a little bit of pressure and you're good to go. And then you can use it for easy summer days where you have expecting no waves or no rain. And yeah. Also
From one of the ladies here at the camp.
the good thing is why it's so long. Now you have behind your backrest place for a small dog, a small backpack, your luggage.
It's easy. The longer, the thinner a boat, the faster it's going to be. So we want something thinner. We'd already been working for some time on the internal bands for the Jekyll, so that allowed us to decrease the width of the boat, which means it's I think the longest and thinnest boat you can find now. And that gives you more speed. So with a boat like this, and then we added the side straps after testing. We've actually paddled it up to class 4, so we're actually quite happy because it means it's a very versatile boat. Leaning in, we're currently working on the edging, so we've got several of these out. This was the last one we did last week. We're just working on the angle just to fine tune it because we started last year and didn't have time for other stuff. And so yeah, we've been working on this the last few months, which is why I was going to say I did this like in a hurry before leaving. And then the holes in general, we prefer to have a few more. Often I see boats with very small holes which empty out quite slowly. For us, we like the boats to empty out quickly, which is why we have in general quite a lot of holes on our boats and on most standard self-bailers, because when you hit a roller and the boat fills up, you want it to empty before you hit the next rapid. And in general,
Because it's so easy, nothing complicated, you sit comfortable in it. You can roll it, it's hard to roll, but it's possible. And yeah, it's a pretty solid boat. And
with that one, okay.
the self-bailer option of the alligator. That's the reason why they add here another T-zip with an inflatable or a kind of inflatable floor that all the water who flushes in flows to the feet to the 3 holes. That's the reason why they have here a option or a function like this. But here also you can place some drinks, some gear inside, maybe inflation bag or maybe your pump fits inside here. The flap.
I think he's going to get a hole in his floor, but we'll see that. If you put anything rigid in there.
The first thing is that you have so long tight straps, which is for me at first uncomfortable. So for me this strap's cutting in my leg, in my knee. Yeah.
Alpaca Ranger.
Comes up here.
The what?
The beer, yeah.
The beer, yeah.
You can pack it right up.
Yeah, so this packraft was invented really for hunting trips in Alaska mountain range.
There's a wild boar sign up there by the road.